my friends. Today, I want to tell you a story. A calm, soft, and meaningful story about letting go in life. There was a boy, named Karan. Karan was kind. Karan was hardworking. But Karan held on to many things. He held on to past mistakes. He held on to sad memories. He held on to anger. Because of this, his heart felt heavy. His mind felt tired. One day, Karan went to a lake. The water was still. The air was quiet. He sat near the lake, thinking deeply. An old man was sitting nearby. He saw Karan's face and asked softly, "My son, why do you look so tired?" Karan replied slowly, "I think too much. I remember bad moments. I cannot move on." The old man picked up a leaf from the ground. He placed it in the water. The leaf floated away, slowly. The old man said, "Look at the leaf. It does not fight the water. It lets go and moves forward." He looked at Karan and said, "Life is like this lake. If you hold pain, you sink. But if you let go, you float." Karan felt something change inside. He whispered softly, "So, letting go is good?" The old man smiled gently. "Yes. Letting go is healing. Letting go is freedom." From that day, Karan changed. When bad thoughts came, he paused. He breathed slowly. He let them pass. Slowly. His heart felt light. His mind felt calm. Because when you let go, you make space for peace. Final message. My friends, this story is for you too. Do not hold pain forever. Do not carry anger always. Some things are meant to be released. Let go. Breathe. Move forward. Ending line, thank you for listening. Keep learning English. Keep healing inside. And always remember, let go and feel free.